Remember the classic Windows 95 game Hover and found a MAZ file? This is a MAZ data file from that nostalgic 3D bumper car game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Hover MAZ data files for vintage gaming fun. Keep watching until the end. This solution is entirely reliant on one powerful MAZ file inspection tool that you can use for hundreds of other file issues and formats. The MAZ file contains level data for Hover, a 3D game included on the Windows 95 installation CD. Users typically encounter this file when exploring the game's assets or attempting to create custom levels. It defines the maze layout, object placements, and other environmental elements for a specific game map. This is a proprietary binary file structured to be efficiently parsed by the Hover game engine. It contains coordinate data for walls, item locations, and trigger points. The binary format was chosen for its small size and fast read times, which were critical for performance on mid-1990s hardware. The ideal software for creation and opening of MAZ is Hover from Microsoft Corporation. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows provides no functional preview, so viewing game data relies on compatible modding applications. Your essential first move: right-click the MAZ file and choose Open With. If Hover is on your system, select it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that recognizes the format. If you still can't open the MAZ file, it's okay. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, playing original Hover. Microsoft re-released Hover as a free web game accessible at hover.ie, which doesn't directly use original MAZ files. For the original Windows 95 version, run the game in DOSBox or a Windows 95 virtual machine. Place MAZ files in the appropriate Hover installation directory. Next, modding maze layouts. Hover. Community modding tools available from retro gaming websites can edit MAZ files, creating custom mazes. These tools provide visual editors showing the maze grid with placement controls for walls, items, and objectives. Modified MAZ files replace originals, enabling custom Hover gameplay experiences. Finally, examining with hex editor. Open MAZ files in a hex editor like HXD to examine the binary structure. The format reveals patterns indicating maze grid data, wall placements, and item positions. Understanding the binary layout enables custom modifications even without dedicated modding tools available for the legacy game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.